Ever seen permission denied in Linux, even when the file clearly exists? Let's create a file called project. This is a normal file in my home directory. Right now, I own this file. Now let's make some changes. I'm using the change on command to change the ownership and assign it to root. Let's hit enter and check again. Now the file belongs to root and not me anymore. Let's check the contents of this file. Hello world. As this file doesn't belong to me anymore, let us try to append something to it. Now, I got permission denied because the file doesn't belong to me anymore. I can still read it, but to modify it is not possible. That's what change on does. It changes who controls the file. Even if the file still exists, ownership decides who can modify it. I'm going to change it again. Let's check ownership. Ownership has changed again. So basically, I have full control of the file again. Let's try to modify it now. I've been able to modify the file. We have appended this data. That's exactly how change on works. The ownership has been fixed. I hope that now you have understood how Linux permission works. Watch the next video in order to see other interesting tutorials. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share. Thank you.